If you're looking to automate your prospecting process and make it more efficient, this video will show you how to do that with Folk CRM. I'll walk you through the steps to automate key parts of your prospecting and how to make the most of Folk CRM's tools to streamline your sales pipeline. First, let's talk about Folk CRM's core functionality. Folk is designed to be simple, flexible, and intuitive. It helps you manage your relationships with prospects, clients, and teams without feeling bogged down by complex software. But the real magic comes in when you automate key tasks within the CRM. This is what will save you time, allow you to scale, and keep everything organized. So, how do you automate prospecting in Folk CRM? The first thing you'll want to do is set up your pipeline and integrate it with your communication tools like email and messaging. Folk CRM makes this easy by syncing all your communications, so you don't have to switch between tools. Once your pipeline is set, Folk's automation feature kicks in, allowing you to trigger actions based on certain conditions. For example, you can create an automation that sends follow-up emails to your prospects after an initial meeting or inquiry. This ensures that no prospect is left hanging and you're staying top of mind. You can also set reminders to follow up at certain intervals, which means you won't miss out on any opportunities because you're too busy to remember when to reach out. Folk CRM also uses smart tagging, which allows you to categorize your leads based on their stage in the pipeline, interests, or any other criteria you define. This makes it easier to segment your prospects and automate the follow-ups accordingly, sending targeted emails based on their needs and behaviors. The real power comes in when you combine these automations with Folk's templates for emails and messages. These templates are pre-built and customizable, so you don't have to rewrite the same messages every time. You just set the trigger, let Folk send the message, and let the software handle the rest. This drastically reduces your workload while increasing your prospecting efficiency. If you're using the software for team collaboration, Folk allows you to automate tasks within your team as well. You can set notifications when a lead moves to a new stage or when a specific action is required. This ensures that your team stays aligned and nothing slips through the cracks. And here's something that will really speed up your prospecting. Folk CRM's ability to integrate with other platforms like Google Calendar, Zapier, and more. These integrations allow you to link your calendar, task management systems, and even your website with Folk, so everything is automated, and you don't need to manually update multiple platforms. Now here's the best part. You can start using Folk CRM for free with the link below. As an added bonus, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, which means more time to explore all the features without any pressure. By automating your prospecting with Folk CRM, you'll not only save time but also increase your effectiveness in managing leads. The system is incredibly flexible, and the automation features are powerful enough to make a huge impact on your workflow. Don't forget, the link below will give you access to Folk CRM's free trial and exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Start automating your prospecting today and take your business to the next level. If you want to dive deeper into Folk CRM or get more insights on automating your workflows, make sure to check out the free trial and see how much easier prospecting can be.